Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. It's a brand named sheep leather motorcycle jacket from Redskins. The Redskins brand is a casual brand product such as French brand low leather and jeans established in 1984. Enjoy the French brand Redskins sheepskin jacket with a new product that is hard to find. French brand Redskins, founded in 1984. It's a casual brand such as leather and jeans, and this product is sheepskin, not cowhide. It's a racing jacket with a thick leather texture. French brand Redskins signature on the back. Lucky for the model racing jacket maniacs with waffon decorations on their chests and arms. It looks like it's going to be an item. The inside of the jacket is also designed with a racing jacket down motorsports racing image. And it also has a separate pocket inside the lining. It's not cowhide but sheep leather, so the texture of the leather is luxurious. This is the one new product introduced by MovinsEdition, which is a sheep leather motorcycle jacket product from the Redskins brand. The Redskins brand is a casual brand product such as French brand low leather and jeans established in 1984. As a new product that is difficult to find, it was a sheepskin jacket item from Redskin, a French brand. Goodbye.